Ever found yourself in a battle with a company just to cancel a subscription? You know the drill: endless phone calls, convoluted online menus, and a customer service agent who's basically a professional keep you on hold expert. It's a waste of time, a drain on your patience, and frankly, it's designed to make you give up. So, the question is, in the epic clash between using an app like Rocket Money and manually canceling a subscription yourself, which one is faster? To figure this out, let's break down the two methods and see what they actually involve. First, there's the manual cancellation method. This is the path of most resistance. You have to remember what subscriptions you even have in the first place. You're trying to recall that random streaming service you signed up for to watch one show 6 months ago. Once you've identified the culprit, you have to find their specific cancellation process. This often means a Google search for something like how to cancel, insert company name, subscription, which leads you to their website. Once you're there, you're navigating a labyrinth of menus, hoping to find the tiny, often hidden cancel subscription button. Sometimes, it's not even a button, it's a link in a wall of text. Then, they hit you with the dreaded retention offers. They'll try to get you to stay with discounts, free months, or other incentives. You have to decline each one, and sometimes, you're forced to call them anyway. This entire process, for a single subscription, could easily take 15 to 30 minutes or more. If you have several, you're looking at a significant chunk of your day. The Rocket Money Sprint. Now, let's look at the alternative, using a service like Rocket Money. This app links to your bank and credit card accounts to automatically identify all of your recurring charges. It puts them all in one place, so you don't have to remember a thing. All of your subscriptions, from streaming to gym memberships, are right there on your screen. With Rocket Money's premium subscription, which has a flexible pricing model, you get access to their concierge service. For many services, all you have to do is find the subscription you want to cancel, tap a button, and they handle the rest. Rocket Money's team will contact the company on your behalf, navigate the cancellation process for you, and confirm when it's done. This takes just a few taps on your phone. However, keep in mind that the actual cancellation process on their end can take anywhere from a few days to a week. So, while your initial input is lightning fast, the total time for the cancellation to be completed can vary. The verdict. So, which is faster? It's not a simple one-to-one comparison. The initial effort with Rocket Money is undeniably faster. You can submit a cancellation request in seconds. Manually, you're spending minutes, if not hours, per subscription. However, the total time for the cancellation to be finalized can be longer with Rocket Money, since it relies on their team to complete the process. For many, that trade-off is worth it. You're outsourcing the headache, the frustration, and the time-consuming back and forth to an expert. So while it may take Rocket Money a few days to get the job done, you've already moved on with your life, saving yourself the immediate stress and time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.